Hello friends, welcome to our English class. I think all of you have started learning. We are dealing with section 1 language study of activity sheet. Language study is based on vocabulary and grammar. The activities are simple, medium and challenging. In question 1a, you have simple and medium level activities, whereas in question 1b, you have challenging activities. But all these activities are other than those given in A3 or B3 and A4 and B4 of textual and non-textual passages. You have already seen question 1a, which is for 8 marks and very simple, where you can get out of marks. But now we are going to see question 1b, do as directed, which is for 2 marks. You have 2 sub questions having 2 difficult activities for 1 mark each. You have to attempt any one activity in each question. Let's see question 1b, do as directed, attempt any one. Here you have 2 activities, you have to do any one. Today we are going to see this activity only. A. Make meaningful sentence by using the phrase to take care of. In this activity, you are expected to frame meaningful sentence by using the given phrase. Before using the phrase in sentence, you must know the meaning of it. The phrase given here is not besides your text. You are familiar to that phrase, means you know that phrase as you have either learnt it in your previous standards or in this standard. So what is the meaning of this phrase to take care of? Its meaning is keep someone or something safe. Next, try to make very simple sentence so that there can't be mistake. Use SVOC structure for it. But remember, you can make assertive, interrogative or imperative sentence by using the given phrase. Here I have written different sentences using the given phrase. First, I take care of myself. Here I have used the phrase take care of in assertive sentence. Next two are the examples of interrogative sentence. Do you take care of it? Who takes care of you? And in last sentence, I use the phrase in imperative sentence. Take care of him. Remember, underline the phrases after using the phrases in your own sentence. Let's see another example. To be afraid of. The meaning of this phrase is having or showing fear of something. When the phrase begins with to be, you have to use form of be, means am, is, are or was, were appropriately. Then use the phrase in your own sentence. I have used the given phrase in my own sentences. First, I am afraid of darkness. I have used the phrase to be afraid of in assertive sentence and I use the present form of be, am. Second, don't be afraid of it. Here I have used the phrase in imperative and last two examples are of interrogative. Are you afraid of ghost? Why are you afraid of it? So, isn't it easy to use the phrases in your own sentence? Friends, I think you will have understood this activity. Now, I am giving you assignment. Here are some phrases. You have to use those phrases in your own sentences. If you don't know the meaning, don't worry. Download online dictionary app on mobile. It will be helpful for you. You can find the meaning of new words, phrases and their uses too. So, download the online dictionary. Let's see the assignment. Make meaningful sentence by using the phrase. First phrase is to be engrossed in. Second, keep one's head. Third, to root out. Fourth, to wish for. Fifth, to ask for. Sixth, for a while. Seventh, to muster up courage. Eighth, in the pursuit of. Ninth, in front of. And last one, to look after. If you have your course book in Unit 4.5 English workshop, you have more phrases. Find their meanings and use the phrases in your own sentence. Friends, don't be afraid of corona. Take care of yourself and your family. Thank you.